Wala.
Ayun.
What the?
Ano ka ba?
What's that?
Ano ba?
Okay, part 3 start na. Let's go. So, bro, someone is stopping.
My brother.
Okay, let's go. So this.
So this is the real world. Where am I? What the heck? Okay, which one is my family?
Oh wow. Saan ako?
My family is PC gamer and largely succeeded. Wala pa rin yung champion season.
So what?
Parang wala sa season. Wala season.
So ano yung gagawin? Ano yun? Bakit
Guys,
sumusunod?
open that door. Oh, he's here. Congrats. Dito guys.
Ayun, 3 pala. Kailangan pala ng kamay.
Sabi ko sa'yo, need yung ano.
Finally, someone took the phone. I am so glad that somebody else is
Yan lang kayo mo.
I do not have much time to talk, so I'm going to make this quick. Listen, turning on the alarm is not my thing. If you want to get out of this place, because we're really spending talk to everyone. So it's completely useless, I'm afraid. Long story short, we're still not safe. I have to hide. I'm going to take a now.
Eh?
How we done?
May monster? Oh no. Really?
Wala.
Bro, ang dark.
Oh, maya pa yung monster.
Wala pa dito.
Maya pa yung monster.
Oh no, nagtitv kayo guys. So, tingnan natin
Hi
dito.
bro, look behind you.
Wow.
Ka ba?
Oh, yun. What's that? Si ano?
Yan, may like yan.
6. Ano yung kailangan
Guys,
dito?
I'm so smart.
I think
Parang i-match mo yung number. Boys. Come sa PJ. Wala si
80.
PJ. Wala PJ. Saan ba to?
Ay, mamatch yung number.
Guys, it's color white, it's gigantic. What the fuck is that, man? It fell right off my head. It was in front of me.
Three.
You guys, actually so effing horrified.
5.
There's a freaking... Guys, meron talaga mo ito.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 3, 7. Ano yung 3, 7? Uy, yun.
What
the hell is that?
Meron tayo ito.
What's that? Bakit may white thingy dito? Bakit may white thingy dito?
Yan mo ito. It's far right in front. That thing fell in front of me. Or actually on top of me.
Ito, nandito pala.
It fell on top of me, and then I was so lucky enough, it was still being animated to actually get up and kill. I was so lucky to that.
Oh no. Nandito yung Zo.
Ooh,
Woohoo!
I don't like this. I don't like this.
There's a trumpet here. Ito. So, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
I don't
6.
wanna get out of
What's
I
this?
don't wanna get
1,
out
2,
of this bush.
3.
Oh, hell no. She looks
Nine.
like a spider.
Yeah, he does.
A spider that's
1, 2,
literally
3,
broken
4,
bones.
5,
What
6.
kind of spider is
1, 2,
that?
3.
You disgusting. Disgusting. Ew.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Disgusting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Me!
Ew.
Please don't bite me.
How do you open the door?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Asan?
I saw that.
I'm being chased! 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 I think I'm dead. I think I'm dead. Hello?
Guys! I'm so scared. Don't do this to me.
Ito.
No. You guys, I don't know what to do in this game.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. Please don't kill me, please. Five, 6. 1, 2, 3. Okay na.
Oh, malapit sa akin.
Uy, wala na tayo sa mga elevator.
Nasa reality na tayo.
Uy, the backrooms. Ito yung sa ano, ito yung sa mga backrooms eh.
Oh, no, sa elevator doon. Oh, the elevator door.
There's a... Arit? Ayun, nasa elevator na tayo.
Security. Oh, no, man.
Where's this place?
Hello again. As of right now, so stay safe and good luck.
Okay. Uy!
What the fuck?
What happened to me? Ano ata nagagawin dito? What's this?
Oh, parkour.
There's a door? Something? So, dito ata...
Parkour.
What the heck? I'm gonna die here, aren't I?
Sige, subukan niyo.
Wanis! Parkour gods. Ay, pasa ka na yun.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Saan tayo? Oh, shit.
Nalaglag.
Please, I'm so bad. What's so bad, man? Don't leave me, you guys. Yes. Team. Guys, I swear to you, I'm very good at parkour. I promise. I'm not lying. Ano kayo?
This is giving me chills, bro. Wait lang, hintayin ko kayo dito sa may staircase. Tara.
Oh my gosh.
Tayo.
Yuni.
Lo, nag-disconnect si Uni.
Oh.
Look,
Ano, tapusin na natin to?
look.
Look.
What's that?
Look at that. Look at that.
Hindi, tara. Baba dito. Dito, baba.
Why do I feel scared? Why do I feel scared? Man. Die again. Yeah. What the?
The TV man is
I told
watching.
you to leave me alone. I told you to leave me alone. I'm unconscious. I'm dry bone. You gave me English or Spanish and now you're here again. You gave me a heart attack in episode 2 and now you're here again. Stop that. Watching me. You suck. Hey, where's the light flashing?
Yan. Done. I'm TP.
Okay. I don't like this.
Bro, ano to? Bakit may vent?
Ba't nandito tayo sa vent?
I think I'm gonna die here. Takot pa naman ako sa mga
I
vent.
think I'm gonna die.
Yes, same.
Me too, bro.
There's an arrow. Go, go, go.
I'm gonna place my eyes. I'm not sprinting.
Let's go squint. Squint lang tayo.
It's good.
Jump. Squinting eyes. Squinting eyes.
Oh God.
Bro, I'm afraid of Steve Wins, man. I don't like this.
I think I did.
I don't like this.
My heart is beating so fast. Yeah.
Please don't jump scare me, bro. Please don't jump scare me.
Don't. Wait, run away! I know!
Huwag daw dyan. Dito tayo.
We're not there.
Kasi may question mark.
How would you know?
Okay, go down.
How would you know?
Go down. Kasi may question mark.
Exclamation mark yun.
Kaya nga. Is it a danger or not?
Listen to my sister.
Okay. My instincts are tingling.
Ikaw na. Stop!
Look at that.
Squinting my eyes. You red. You notice I'm squinting my eyes. Squinting my eyes.
I think this is not safe. I guess.
Me too, dog. I don't feel safe at all.
Bro, this is giving me a heart attack.
When I can see
Ayun. Okay.
it.
See, my instincts are right. I told you. Oh, nah.
Amazing.
Bakit ako lang mag-isa dito?
Bakit?
Ayun.
Ano dito pa ako? I'm loading in.
Ano to? What's this? Bakit may art gallery dito?
Oh no. What is this place?
Bro, takot ako sa mga
Art
museum.
gallery. I love art gallery. But this was not ako.
Takot ako sa museums eh.
God, don't do me like this. God, don't do me this way. Yo, let me up. Guys, I'm so bad at parkour.
Go, tara, din na tayo. Lakad na tayo. Let's go. Ikaw dito sa may right side, ako dito sa my left side.
Hello? Are you there? You're getting so close to escaping. This next section seems a bit difficult. There seems to be something running through the halls in the section, but I can't quite identify what it is. Once you get past the section, it should be pretty easy. Good luck. You're going to need it.
Need what? Oh, ikaw lang yung pwede mag-trust ko, bro. It needs your identity. Yo, dude. Oh no, it's a flashing lights again. It's flashing lights again. Yo,
Oy,
I hear
dito
that.
ka. Sali ka dito, oy.
That.
Punta ka dito. What's that?
I just know, why are you asking me?
Let's look.
Where is that? What's that? I'm scared. Of course, it's a mom.
Wala.
Well,
Ano to?
kaya ka ba?
What's that?
Ano ba? Bakit? Ano meron?
May eyes. There's an eyes, you know? May eyes. Gagi yung fast niya. Ang bilis tumakbo,
Oh,
bro.
hell no.
Ang bilis tumakbo.
Nakahanap ka ba?
Oo, yeah. Namatay.
What does it look like? And this game does not feel colorful, but what is the thing only the colorful picture? How is that possible? How is that possible?
No.
Parang ano ka?
Nandito ako sa may gilid. Sa may logo.
What? No, you're not.
Yung parang siyang museum. Return mo lang yun.
Really? How do you what is it?
Okay.
What is that?
Yeah.
Oh, what the fuck is that? It's crawling. That's it, crawling. It's crawling so fast, man. That's delicious. Isa na.
Ang intense na ito. Okay na. Go. Whew. Nah, bro.
Oh, hell no.
There's some eyes.
Bro, patakbo tayo ulit dito. Ayoko na.
A.
Yo, dude.
A.
There.
B.
Oh. A first number.
A, B, D.
Second number. C. Third number.
A, B, D, C.
Ah, okay. So. Okay.
1.
Yeah.
2, 1.
Okay.
Ano siya? 2, 1. 2, 1.
What?
3, 4. 2, 1, 4, 3. So this is
Okay. Wait, ano yung ano? A, B, D, E. 2, 3, 2,
2, 2. Hindi.
Wait.
2, 2. 2, 2, 3. 2, 2, 3. Ay, ito sa ba? Let's go. Bro, there's a train here. Dito pumasok. May train dito. Finally, a way out. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Si TV man.
TV man, I'm not delicious, you know.
Nagbabay siya, nagbabay.
Yo, alam mo ba, pagkatapos natin naglaro ng determinal sila yung last 2 days ago, yung pang-naginip ko ito na, oh, yeah.
Bro. Bro, the TV man is Bro.
Sexy scene talaga, oh my god. What's this game?
You should open the door. You should open the door. Here you go. Oh, freak. You should open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door.
I don't feel safe.
Open the door. Ay, open the door. Open the door.
This door is so hot.
Oh my God. Open mo, open mo, bilang mo, bilang mo. Actually, bilisan mo. Bilisan mo. Bilisan mo.
I'm getting a heart attack. I'm getting a heart attack.
Oh my God.
Oh, God, wait. God. God.
I died.
Your turn.
Okay, ako magbubukas. I will open the door. Please. Hindi dito. Hindi dito.
I don't feel safe. I don't feel safe.
Open it, open it. Bilisan mo, bilisan mo. Oh my God. Bakit nangyari? Let me open the door, let me open the door. No, not here, not here. Ala, bakit? Kasi may red, may red shade. Bakit?
I gotta stay calm. Tell me what to say. Oh, please, tell me what to do. Please.
A few minutes later.
Malapit ka na, for sure.
Please love to me. Please love to me. What's going to be easy? How is it to be? How is it to be? Oh, I made it.
Bro, how did you made it?
My heart's attacked.
Bakit kasi ako nasa kabila?
Basta pumunta doon.
I don't know.
Basta napunta ka pa doon. Message sa communication.
Sumabog yung train. Yung train na reload, bro.
Thank God you're alive. I was so worried you wouldn't make it out alive. I guess it's time for you to leave, huh? Well, I can't spend over Monday with you, I'm afraid. I've got more people to try and save, so I guess this is goodbye.
Bro.
Until we meet again.
I think this is a trap. I think this is a trap.
Oh, it's yung door sa beginning.
Oo nga, yung door nga. Yo, we've done it. We've done it.
amount of anxiety.
Oh. What's this?
No, it's pictures. Hindi tayo nag-leak.
Oh, what the frick? Saan to? Yung camera nakatutok.
Oh, wait. What if wala pa tayo sa reality, pero nalang tayo sa camera? Hindi pa talaga tayo